Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to do custom positions in chess.com. Of course, you need to be signed into your account. And once you are in your home screen, I want you to click on more over here, the option like so, and then hover your mouse under train. So when you are in train, this small, additional option is going to appear. And I want you to click on analysis. So when you click on analysis, you are going to be brought to this board here. And I want you to click on set up position. So click on this one, and you're going to have options here where where to move and whatnot. And you can actually add more custom pieces to the board if you want, right? If you want to add more pawns, you can do so like this. There you go. Or you can just add more, maybe more knights or whatever pieces you want to add. After that, you will be good to go. And you can actually choose white to move or black to move, so on and so forth. And you're going to have an option here to load everything. And then you can just play it with this custom board that you're seeing right now, or however you want to customize it. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.